Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to import images and make a simple video in Synfig Studio. Let's start. First open the Synfig Studio on your computer. Double click this icon. Start the Synfig screen. Synfig screen. File new file, create, set canvas property, canvas, click this canvas menu, select option properties, then change the name, same it is 400 to 550, unlock this to change the value 400, 550 and OK. Then set the canvas screen, the size, animation. Now click the file and new. I will create a new project. Import the image, click on file, click import. File, import option. Select the file. Now choose the image from your computer and select SkyBG. Import this file. Open. You will see the image on the screen. You can use the green dots to resize the image. Green dots resize the image. Click and drag to move the image to the right place. Though resize this image. Then back size, small, small, small and small, but different one. Then set this point top to 0, left to 0, top to 0 margin and left to 0 margin. Done. Okay. And import second file, aeroplane. Repeat this step, import option and aeroplane PNG file, import. Same. Repeat this step, set the image. And set the image. Okay. Done. Timeline, keyframe, time taker, this layer, first and second, and set editing mode on. And start animation, aeroplane, select aeroplane layer, aeroplane, and move this point, starting point, and Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. On editing mode, set the one frame, aeroplane, and move this object and create a new layer. And 48 new frame, move the object, select 48, aeroplane, set, move this object, create keyframe, this object, or this object, keyframe create, then create this. Synfig will create animation. Play this button. Play this button. Move this 2 layer, 1 aeroplane, PNG and background. Your video is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.